Today I was reflecting on how nice it was to share our story with a few large health systems, some businesses, 2 major universities, and 4 news networks the other day. It was truly amazing. I'm glad to be here in Bangalore, and I'm looking forward to continuously sharing our story. At iTCart, our aim is to really use artificial intelligence to address some of the world's most complex challenges. Our mission is simple but ambitious: to lead a global AI revolution that empowers enterprises, governments, individuals to achieve sustainable growth and to continue to drive innovation. We are deeply focused on delivering customer-centric solutions across sectors such as manufacturing, education, healthcare, finance, real estate, cybersecurity, philanthropy, digital arts, and more, just to name a few. AI is already changing the way every industry operates. At iTCart, we love to push boundaries with platforms like AiXHub, AiXBFS, AiXManufacturing, AiXQP, and AiXHealthcare, just to name a few. We have many more, all the while making sure technology not only addresses what is needed right now, but what it also anticipates for future outcomes and future opportunities. Everything we do comes back to ethical innovation, operational excellence, and above all, making positive impact on the world while driving a quality-driven product. It is honestly a privilege to lead iTCart through such a dynamic time. While we have a long-standing culture of innovation and impact, this latest phase has really been accelerating that energy while driving strategic growth, expanding our AI capabilities, and building even more larger and deeper global partnerships. Working alongside and side by side our talented team, we have sharpened our vision for the company and set ourselves up for greater success, as well as advancements. Either way, we're moving forward in a positive manner, and we want to bring you along with us. I'm especially proud of how we are innovating responsibility and delivering value for both industries and communities. As an example, AiXQP is changing the game in education. It is creating more personalized learning experiences and helping prepare people for their future careers. It's giving the students the ability to truly advance. RCM AiX is transforming healthcare and finance with incredibly precise automation for billing, claims, denials, and compliance, which is something I'm generally proud of. AiXManufacturing is giving manufacturers predictive analytics, supporting smarter supply chains, and better maintenance programs. As a CEO, my role is really to set the strategic direction while making sure these platforms and solutions not only meet clients' expectations, but exceed them. Whether it is with predictive diagnostics, advanced revenue cycle management, or real-time marketing insights, our solutions are helping Fortune 500 companies become a more agile, data-driven, and a rapidly evolving economy. Throughout my journey as a leader, I've had the privilege to watch industries evolve and embrace the digital age. There is a spirit of entrepreneurship, which is driven by resilience, diversity, and relentless pursuit of progress. And this has greatly influenced my management style and strategic vision. At iTCart, we draw upon these values by pioneering practical AI solutions that support business in becoming more competitive, secure, and efficient. Our partnerships are leading transformations in sectors like healthcare, manufacturing, and fintech, and helping clients stabilize their supply chains, optimizing their operations, and creating sustainable jobs nationwide and globally for that matter. I see massive opportunity for enterprises to not just implement AI, but to set the standard for responsible innovation, ethical data use, and global impact. The future of technology is bright, and I'm excited. At iTCart, we see our responsibilities extending far beyond revenue and business success. Philanthropy and social responsibility are woven into our culture and into our company DNA. iTCart is about building technology that uplifts communities, promotes opportunity, and improves lives. Whether we are supporting education or healthcare projects, guiding philanthropy, or partnering with business, giving back is fundamental to how we operate. We are constantly seeking ways to make a sustainable, positive difference locally and globally. For us, technology is a force of good, and we are committed to making sure the benefits reach as many people as possible around the globe. Today, we are continuously investing more innovation, expanding into markets, and joining forces with global thought leaders. Our focus is squarely on AI-powered transformation, sustainability, and digital enterprises. I can honestly say the journey ahead is going to bring an even greater impact, and I'm really excited for what's to come. My travels and work around the world has convinced me that technology truly brings people together, and AI is the next big unifier. I am all about merging strategic vision and ethical innovation to create lasting value. And at iTCart, that means getting the best out of each other and having a little fun along the way, while always leading with purpose and passion.